In this video, I will show you how can you sell things on Vinted even if you are from UK, US, Canada, wherever country you want. So basically I will go here to the sell tab, and right now let's say that I will want to sell my Sergio Tacchini pants. I will click here on upload photos, click on these pants, done. Here on title I will type in Sergio Tacchini pants, and here I will describe these pants. Let's say that color blue, brand Sergio Tacchini, QR code because more people will want to see the QR code for brands, cotton, and you can add here whatever you want. Next, I will click on category here, and I will choose from suggested category, as you can see here, the pants tab. Brand, I will search for Sergio Tacchini, as you can see, click on it. Size will be M, I think. Condition, here I will choose very good because they are almost new. Colors, we said blue. Material, here you have a lot of options. I will choose cotton because they are made by cotton. Price, let's add a price here to see what Vinted recommend us. So as you can see here, we have a tip from Vinted. They say that the price for these types of things, I mean for these pants, are from $5 to $13. So let's I don't know, let's choose $12, let's say. Click on done. Scroll down a little bit and you will need to choose your parcel size. So how big will be the package? Right now I will choose small because this pants isn't too big. Click on done. If you are choosing this option here, bump item, you will be able to sell faster by reaching more buyers. But Vinted will charge you almost $2 for this option. If you don't want to choose it, just click on upload and this item will be uploaded. Well, I hope that this video will help you guys, and we will see in the next videos.